Well, I'm just taking a little peek at the Bolens here. Just pulled off the deck. So it is missing the center spindle. Well, the spindle's there, I guess. Or the bearings are there, but not the shaft itself. But there's a mule drive right there. A bunch of hardware sitting up there that came off it. Mule drive. So basically needs that center spindle. Now, I was looking here. This is a PTO for the front, I believe. But spare mule drive there, but I do not have a spindle for it. This seems to be the double belt setup, which is, I guess, better, but everything is pretty stiff on it. And to be honest, I'll probably never use it with the mower deck, but it seems to be a very well built mower deck, so I'll set it aside and we'll go from there. But well, now I could take a peek underneath it at least and see what I'm working with. Guaranteed I had a snowblower on it before, I would say, by looking at that. Now the guy does have a snowblower. Another spot here that shows me it had some snowblower attachments. He does have a snowblower, a dual stage snowblower, but the bushing is pretty worn out. But he only wanted $15 for a dual stage snowblower. Yeah, so he might have already sold it, but I might go back and take a look at that. Well, the rest of the underside looks pretty good. So the fact that it's missing that blade spindle is kind of telling me that's probably why he retired this machine. So that engine, even though the gas tank is just covered in shit, will probably be okay with the carb cleaning, but not too sure yet. So I gotta find somewhere to store that. Interesting. Okay, so this one here is for the hydrostatic right here. Drive goes right to here. Now this was originally sticking, and I see there is springs in here. And just after touching it for a little bit, it seems actually it kind of goes back by itself. A little bit of oil and it'll probably be fine. But I gotta get out of here. This wood ticks like crazy on the ground, and I probably picked up a few dozen of them, even on the sand. But it's actually not looking that bad. Okay, so this is just for the deck lift. Not worried about that. It's still stiff. Yeah, it's still sticking. Need a little bit of work in there, that's for sure. But I guess what I'll do now is just give it a wash and oil and go from there. But I think I'll have to let it sit till next weekend. Okay, so what I noticed is this designed to be like this, or is this just a glitch? So look at this nut right there. Watch when I hit it. Do you see it hitting that bracket there? Is that not meant to hit there? Watch again. See the way the nut's clocked? It just hits that bracket and stops. Isn't there meant to be... Watch, I could see in the back, right back in there, that it is almost at the stop. I mean, that's probably knocking off at least 15% of the full throttleness on that hind joint, with the bolt being loose like that. I mean, if you hit it hard enough, you're just going to strip that out. But it's working now. I don't have to worry about it sticking now. Now, there is some play in there. But really, is it going to matter? I'm not too sure. So this is for the hydraulic lift right here. I'm probably going to take that off. So, and then you can see here, this is all to do with the hydraulic lift assembly. Hey. Okay, no, that's fine. But other than that, everything else is looking pretty decent under here. Okay, so I'm guessing this bolt right here and that one there, that's where the mule drive bolt's on, by the looks of it. Okay, well, that makes sense. I want to run the snowblower attachment. And there should be, yep, 2 more up front there. Huh. Okay, well, that's definitely going on it. Now, I'm looking at here how this is all welded up. It's really hard to say how much he extended it by, because this looks like the solid original piece. Pretty sure you just reinforced it. I don't think it's extended. And the reason why I haven't tried just starting it is that is very, very dirty. And with the gas cap cracked, stripped, who knows what it looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna say that's a pretty good hole. Look at that, eh? And that side there, that's an old crack there, but this one here, wow. I guess I should not be using this mower as a brush cutter. I could fix that. It's not that big of a deal. Sears is a little unhappy. Gave her a good old spit test. It is running on both cylinders, but she's a little unhappy. That's for sure. But it is black smoke, so I don't think it's a fuel issue. Engine has 166 hours on her. Oh, there she goes, starting to lump again. It's all the way down. Thinking it was it's stuck on choke, I was thinking, but that's a light switch. Looks like the choke is working all the way. That is working. Not too sure, but she's not that happy. She's on stall. No. Oh yeah, she's starting to chooch pretty good there. Okay, well, I have to look at that another day. Crankcase could just be filling up with gas because I was just working over here, basically moving any signs of goat poop. So just kind of moving it around, building up. This used to be a pretty good hole here, so I had a good stockpile of sand and mud and mix across here. Same with those hills there, but filling this in because it's part of the trail. This here used to have the hay here, so I just pushed it all up on to there. And doing that's where it started acting up. So I'm guessing that it's flooding. So hard to really say for sure, but she wasn't too impressed. Ooh, well, I'm going to go in. Time for dinner, and then I got to work in the morning. The pool's all set up there. I got the taps in line working, so well, I think that's going to be it for now. Not much else happened on the weekend other than working on the back trail there, setting up the pool and installing an outside water line. Sweet. And this is another hoard of dog food we got. So lots of different options here. All kinds of different things for Proxy to try. This one here might end up being good for her. This is for food sensitivity, so it might work. Some puppy food for maybe Seda, but whole option of different things here to try, and we'll have to go from there. Yes, we've been sampling Proxy with a little bit of everything lately. And this is just a little bit of a final update on a Sansi Grow Light. I decided to be using the 40 watt, and it is friggin' awesome. Just have it in the sunroom here. Got a few more over there, no light on them right now, but basically been switching out between the 40 and the 15 watt units, and to be honest, the 40 watt is awesome. So a lot of stuff already has been planted outside, but just kind of thought I'd give an idea. This light here is freaking working amazing, and even the windows are blocked over here. She's not even hitting the end of the leash. She knows where the limit is. Get her all pooped out for the truck ride back. Oh, there she hit it. Foxy, you're pooping me out more than you. Okay, you're almost ready.
What are you doing? He's like chasing me. See ya! No. Ooh.
I'm waiting for her to jump up. I was waiting for her to come and jump up. Oh, lucky she missed my balls. Okay, go sniff. She's like, okay, pee-pee break. Pee-pee break? I don't want you in there, Proxy. You don't need to knock down that 400-pound blade onto yourself. Yeah, it's probably the bad idea to go under that skid. Okay, I'm shutting this off.